G'day guys, Bala Eddie here. I'm on the river doing a bit of trout fishing. In this video you'll see it's been a bit of a hit and miss for me. I've definitely had better days. I'll put up everything that I've gotten. I landed the 2 trout, had a few hit and misses from another ones. If they're on footage I'll definitely put that up too. Cheers guys, be sure to subscribe, like. Cheers guys. I'm starting off with a spinner. It's the Tackle Tactic spinner in a cicada pattern, size 2. I picked these up out at Nuji Bush Goods, so we'll definitely be getting a few more of these. I think they look pretty good. If I didn't snag it first cast, oh my lord. I got it back. How cool. Now it's not ideal, but I'm going to do a downstream cast because, you know, something might be sitting just there on that shadow line. Is that just me? Or does that look like a lure? I want to take a guess and say that lure is a Mapso green and gold blade Passager. And I lost one here like 2-3 years ago, not here, in this river. Let's find out. Get a few casts in here first, I think. Looks pretty good. Let's get my footing here. Oh, it bloody is too. Got it. What a score. Do you reckon that's my lure? Might use that later. It could be a sign, you know. Yeah, oh, he had a hit. He came out and had a good old hit. Alright, that's cool. So I've just swapped the lure. I've put on the Passager. The one I found. Yeah, go. Oh, yeah, go. Oh, dude. Bro. Yeah, oh, got one, nice. Ooh, a little brownie. Sick. Oh, he's a freaking fighter. Oh. Cracker. Alright, just get him released quickly. So I'm on the board, one brown. It's always good. Sorry about that shit angle. I've adjusted the camera, so hopefully it's a bit better. Yeah. Stick around. Oh. Just keep going, eh? Nice looking hole. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, nice. Nice little brownie. Oh, that's the red dots on him. Awesome. Quickly get him released.